healing tribe, my healing family, what's going on? We are here today in this present moment to talk about some things, talk about some updates. And how is it being a mother? I am currently 23 and I am a full-time mom. I am a mother. I'm gonna give you the cons and the pros of it, my challenges I have been facing as a mother. I have had some challenges, especially in the beginning, and I'm still going through a couple of challenges, mentally, but emotions shall pass. If you have a better way of looking at things, it's all about perspective. It's how you look at things. You look at things in a negative light, of course things is going to be negative, but if you look at things on a positive note, things will be positive for you. As a mother, it's so much emotional things that will flare up. It can take a toll on you, and especially if you're a young mother. I'm a young conscious mother. I'm still learning myself. I'm still learning my baby. Now I'm learning a whole new being that I birthed through my portal. And I feel like becoming a mother, before you're even a mother, it is a initiation. All women, I feel, is meant to bring forth the new generation of children. It don't matter what age you are. If you had a baby at 19, 20, it's an initiation for you, and you should not beat yourself up about it. You have a lot of misconceptions about, if you become a mother, your life is over. You can't do certain things. I'm not gonna say things are not harder. Things are harder, but we are meant to face these challenges on this 3D plane. We are meant to come here and solve our issues, especially if you have trauma. That's why you come here, to heal yourself, and you heal others, and you heal your generational line. That's why you come here. So when people say, you're young, you're too young, if you look around, what are these young folks doing? I'm not saying all of them, but most of these young people is jumping from man to man, or woman to woman, just sleeping around, not giving a fuck about their body, not giving a fuck about who they sleeping with, not giving a fuck about their health. They're just partying. I'm not saying not to have fun, but all at the same time, come back to yourself. And I do not regret having my daughter, because I'm not gonna lie to you, my daughter saved me from myself. I'm more mindful. I was mindful before, but now that I have a daughter, I'm way more mindful on what I put in my body, on my healing journey. Because even if you think you didn't have trauma coming into this realm as a child, you didn't have no childhood traumas. The first trauma, especially if you didn't have a natural birth, or a birth that is more fitting for a baby, you have trauma. They snatch you out your mama's womb, spank you on your ass, and have light shining in your face. And they shoot you up and put fear, indoctrinations in you. And you thinking, I'm one way, but you're not. You have trauma. And for me to say this, my daughter is really helping me heal those traumas, because I don't want to pass down my beliefs, that what I was taught by my misled family, to my daughter. I just don't want to do that. You see what I'm saying? So it is crucial for me to get on my health. And don't get me wrong, I've been cheating lately, eating sugar. Y'all know I'm plant-based, but I've been sneaking some fish, which is not good. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's not good. It's all about perspective. But I'm more mindful of who I give my energy to. Because at one point, I just gave my energy to anyone that wanted to be my friend. And people are not meant to be your friend. Some people are not meant to. They can cross your path, but maybe they cross your path to get inspired by you. There's a lot of people that have a lot of healing, and there's a lot of people that's bots and is meant to bring other people down. But you do not want to get caught up with people that's not trying to heal and want to stay in this 3D plane and cause chaos. So for me to say all that, I be saying, so what? My daughter saved me. My baby saved me. I am working harder than ever to provide a life for her that I did not get to experience when I was her age, to provide healing and an open space so she can just be herself. You see what I'm saying? There's a lot of mothers out here that I see, they don't give a fuck about their children, and it's sad. That's the next generation. You need to pour as much as you can in your child to heal them, to love them, to show them the way so they don't destroy the earth. They are the future. And I see so many women, even with women killing their children, it's so sad. No, we are here to bring forth the future, to bring forth a change. You see what's going on all around us, and they keep you distracted. They keep you distracted, they keep you doped up, they keep you sick, and half of y'all don't even focus on your child. Your child come in this world perfect, which your beliefs is put down to your child to make them unperfect, and then they have to heal your traumas that you went through, especially if you're an indigenous woman or man. You know you got trauma in your bloodline, but all the shit that they done did to us, you know you have trauma in your bloodline. You know it. So you need to heal yourself so you can heal your future, because your children are you. You might just come back through one of your children. You got to start thinking about it like that. And you want that bloodline to be healed, so when you come back through, you got generational wealth. My daughter might have a daughter that have a daughter, and I come back through one of my grandchildren. And I will know when I come back through one of my grandchildren, because I deeply feel it's going to be generational wealth after me, because I'm paving a road for that. I'm breaking generational curses. I'm not going to say it's not hard. It's hard, but I'm here for the challenge. I'm here to overcome. I'm here to heal. My life has been hard. I've grown up with neither of my parents. Both my parents had me young, and my grandmother raised me. When I look at my mom, and I love her dearly, and she might see this video, but she don't even know how to be a mother to me. So I am learning how to be a mother, how to be a great mother, the best mother as I can be. I am learning. My learning is having me step into my highest self. I'm gonna say it like that. I'm becoming my highest self by learning. So thank you for joining me on this talk. I love y'all so much. If you are a young mother out there, comment if you need some tips, what I feed my child, because I do not feed my child formula. I make her food. Need some tips. You need some tips of some conscious parenting, or I don't like to use that word because I'm not renting my child. Conscious mother. Comment. I am here for it. But love, peace, and happiness, and I will see y'all in the next video. Healing Tribe.